faces. Throw the cash, me and my family, so yeah. I got money at the wazoo, wazoo. I got money at the wazoo. And my family really wazoo, wazoo. Really, really wazoo. Yeah, I got money at the wazoo. All this money stuffed up in my pockets. That means you can't ignore me, on me when I'm talking. Dancing diamonds in my mouth, kick you upside your head.
Today's video is a productive day in my life, and you all always ask me how I stay so productive and organized. So I use Identity for that. Identity is basically a free Chrome extension which allows you to organize and categorize all of the bookmarks so that you can stay organized basically. My favorite feature of it is that you can actually do to-do lists and sort them out according to your tiles which are already there on it. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So after you have signed up, you'll see a web page like this, and you can go and search for the tiles that you want, or to add a new tile, just go to add new tile and search for the tile that you want. I added Khan Academy and I added it to the category of study. Then I just saved it, and after you have done that, you can just go to the category that you want. For me it was study, and you can see all the study tiles that I have over there. Or if you want to search for any tile, you can simply do that. I search for Netflix. When you click on that, Netflix site will just open. Top right corner, you will also find a simple note kind of symbol. When you go on there, you can search for your to-do list or make new ones. So I made this particular one over here. So added a tile over there, as you can see. So when you click on it, you can just jump to the specific site. So I'll leave the link for Identity's website in the description box below, along with the sign up link. So make sure that you check them out. And thank you so much Identity for sponsoring this video, and let's move ahead. So guys, I'm going to the vaccination center to get my vaccination along with my sister, who will also get vaccinated. So yeah, I got 2 masks, but I'll wear both of them when I am at the center. But right now I'm only wearing this. So you should always like eat something before getting the vaccine. So I ate and like had a little bit of juice, as you also. And now let's go.
Fell into me and I didn't know what to do.
The vaccination center, and I have put double mask on my face, and now we'll go and get vaccinated. But we'll have to see what is the waiting time. So social distancing whatsoever, you can see.
And I hope that you know too, 'cause I never felt this way about anyone else.
So guys, we got the vaccine. As you saw, there was no social distancing whatsoever inside of the hospital, and I like did not expect it at all. So you have to be careful for your own like thing. So yeah, the vaccine, my arm doesn't hurt, but my sister says that her arm hurts. And they told us to take a paracetamol if we like feel a little bit feverish. So now I'm going home, and I'm going to eat a lot and then sleep a lot, and then I'm going to study. That I'm done with my vaccination, I'll go and take a shower, because I've been outside, so it's not really safe just roam around in these clothes. So I'm gonna do that right now.
2 hours later.
So my video is premiering, guys. Go watch it right now. If you haven't already watched it, let me like it. Though I'm sure that it's not the first like. Bad storm outside, and something got inside my eye because of that. Hey guys, update. So it's 8:17 at the moment, and after getting the vaccine, now I feel like feverish and I have fever. So I'm going to take the paracetamol as the doctor or the nurse, whoever that was, told me to. So these are the medicines. Medicine number 2. I almost choked on the second one. So seems like I won't be able to study today because I am having fever, so I need to take some rest. So Phone Antics were kind enough to send me some goodies which I'm going to share with you today. Here is the package. So I got these 2 phone covers. The first one is this like Christian Dior cover, which like with Dior logo printed all over it. It's super pretty. And the next cover is my personal favorite. It's the Harry Potter cover, the Gryffindor, because I'm in Gryffindor, and yeah, I love them. Thank you so much Phone Antics for these covers. They have like customized phone covers and everything, and customized masks and customized cups, so you should definitely like check them out. Now this is the other package that they have sent me. This is the mug that I asked them to customize for me, and let's look at this. Oh my god, it is such a cute mug. This has like a T-Rex on it, and if you know me, you know I love dinosaurs, and the T-Rex is one of my favorite dinosaurs, so this is so cute. Thank you. I'll put the link to Phone Antics Instagram handle in the description box below, so make sure that you check them out and give some credit to them, because like they are doing an amazing job. And thank you so much Phone Antics, and support small businesses. So because I have like fever, I won't do much, but I will just like do my skincare, and then I'll eat my dinner and then sleep. So let's check off the to-do list. I got vaccinated. I edited a video on YouTube. I did not do this. I did the unboxing, I checked the Gmail account, and I did skincare. So except for this, I did all of the things. So that is all for this video, guys. I really hope you all like it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to check out Identity. They are super amazing, and it really helped me out in these past few weeks. So make sure that you check them out and sign them up. It's free. It's completely free, so you can check it out. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Twitter, and text me there. I'll reply to you. I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.
They got a job in the city.